Rooftop vegetable gardening. Imagine stepping onto your rooftop and harvesting fresh vegetables for your meals. Rooftop vegetable gardening is not just a trend. It's a rewarding way to grow your own food, even in limited space. Creating your rooftop garden starts with proper planning. The first step is to assess your rooftop structure. Can it bear the weight of pots, soil, and water? Make sure to consult an expert if you're unsure. Safety and drainage are key to a successful rooftop garden. Next, consider sunlight. Most vegetables need at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. Observe your rooftop throughout the day to identify the best spots for planting. If sunlight is limited, don't worry. You can grow leafy greens like spinach, lettuce, or herbs like mint and coriander, which thrive in partial shade. Once your space is ready, it's time to choose the right containers. Use lightweight, durable pots or grow bags. You can even recycle old buckets or crates with drainage holes. Fill them with a nutrient-rich potting mix. A mix of garden soil, compost, and cocoa peat works great, as it's lightweight and retains moisture. Now, let's talk about what to grow. Tomatoes, chilies, eggplants, and beans are excellent choices for beginners. Root vegetables like radishes and carrots grow well in deep containers. If you have more space, try gourds or cucumbers, which can climb and save horizontal space. Herbs like basil, parsley, and thyme are a must-have for flavoring dishes and are incredibly easy to maintain. Watering is crucial. Since rooftops are exposed to direct sun, soil tends to dry out quickly. Water your plants early in the morning or late in the afternoon to prevent evaporation. But don't overwater, as it can lead to root rot. Install a drip irrigation system if you want to save time and ensure consistent watering. To keep your plants healthy, use organic fertilizers like compost, vermicompost, or liquid fertilizers made from kitchen waste. These not only nourish the soil but are eco-friendly too. Pest management is also essential. Use natural solutions like neem oil spray or garlic-based repellents to keep insects at bay. Attract beneficial insects, like bees and ladybugs, to maintain a balanced ecosystem in your garden. Don't forget about vertical gardening. You can use trellises, hanging baskets, or wall-mounted planters to maximize your space. This way, you can grow more vegetables without overcrowding. As your plants grow, keep an eye on their progress. Prune dead leaves, support tall plants with stakes, and rotate pots occasionally to ensure even sunlight. Harvest your vegetables when they are ripe, and enjoy the fruits of your labor. Rooftop vegetable gardening not only gives you fresh, organic produce, but also contributes to a greener environment and reduces your carbon footprint. Plus, it's a wonderful way to relax and reconnect with nature. So, why wait? Start your rooftop vegetable garden today and turn your space into a thriving green oasis.